earlier this week I said, F it. I'm going to Phuket in southern Thailand. And like everybody else in here, I'm here with friends. Shabab, what about Haba? I've heard so much about southern Thailand that I had to come see it. They say the water is clear. It is. They say it's packed with white tourists. It also is true. They say there's a monkey beach somewhere. I found it. And they also said the nature is gorgeous. But they also said I could use my drone here. Nope, I was wrong. Sorry, I'm so sorry about it. Thank you so much.
No problem, man.
I love you guys.
Yes.
Bye-bye. But even from the ground level, this place is still mind-blowing. Guys, 1 minute, see you tomorrow!